Hello everyone, I'm creating this video for you all to describe how you can integrate your print job manager with the third-party application like Xero to create the invoice using Zapier. So I'll start with how you, first of all, what steps do you need to begin with the integration between print job manager and Xero using Zapier. So make sure that this is your print job manager system. You go to the settings, go to the integration services, manage. This will be your print job manager password and print job manager login. You have to copy paste this integration key from here. Then we will be providing you a Zapier invitation link for the print job manager. Once you have the link, you will be asked to paste that integration key here, and you will be able to integrate your print job manager system with Zapier. Now, how does it work? Let me just, that was the glimpse, because once you have the system, and then you can easily do that, because we will need to provide you the invitation link. But now, for now, we would need to know how you can uh, I mean, for example, if you create a job in Print Job Manager, invoice will automatically be created in the Xero. So let me start the process. Just a sec. This is how you will launch the invitation link. Let's say uh, Print Job Manager with Xero. Okay. Then I will select Create Job. Continue. Account will be asked. I'm already integrated with my account, so these are the things which you need to do on the Zapier side. Okay. So let me just try to create an order quickly. Okay. So I'll just select Xero as an action. Create sales invoice. So what I'm doing here is actually I'm telling Zapier that if I create a job in Print Job Manager, invoice will be created in Xero. Okay. So continue. I will fill the details. So this is a predefined template in Print Job Manager, which you will need to choose, and accordingly, what details you want in your Xero's invoice, you have to put it here. Okay. Now all the things are optional, so I'm not putting it right now, but whatever is required, I'm just pasting it here. So let's say quantity, price, just putting out random values. Continue. It says send test to Xero. You would need to turn on the Zap. Now, doing this which if you just turn on the Zap, that indicates that if the Zap is turned on, anytime the job is created in system, invoice will automatically be created till the time the Zap is on. If the Zap is not on, the trigger will not automatically flow. Okay, so you will see the number 8 here. My Xero is already, I have a trial Xero account, so it will be automatically pulled here. You can see invoice 8 with this organization is being created here. Now let's start the process where I will create a quotation or an estimate. I will approve that quotation and convert it into a job. And again, the invoice will be sent to zero since the Zap is already turned on. So I'll just start creating a new quotation, which is an estimate. Okay, we are not actually creating a job, we are creating a quotation first. So I'll just click on save and start estimate. I'll name it as zero quote. Okay, select appropriate product engine. Selecting all the options and calculating price. Okay, so price is being calculated. Everything is being summed up here, like shipping pre-tax, tax, selling price. Now I will click on save and send. I will shortly receive an email with this quotation for the approval. So I will wait for that email to arrive. Okay, so quotation is created. I'm just waiting for, okay. I've also received an email, quotation for approval. I will click on this link. I will review the quotation, everything, and I'll accept this quantity and price. Submit order. Thank you for accepting the estimate. Now this has been converted into a job. So now it is actual order, which is a 522. Let me just see if I received an invoice since the Zap is already turned on. See, I have received the invoice here. So this is going to do the automatic process. Every time either you convert a quotation into a job or you create a new job, uh, depending upon the trigger which you have selected in the Zapier, it will create a sales invoice in Xero. This is how the system works, but you would need to make sure the Zap is always turned on for that specific Zap which you have created. Okay, I hope this will help you in understanding the basic the glimpse of how the integration between Print Job Manager and Xero works using the Zapier as a mediator and how the data flow from one system to another. Thank you.